Welcome back to Giveaway CPA. And in the next 3 videos, we're going to be talking about traffic strategies. And in this video, we're going to be talking about the first traffic strategy to get traffic to your CPA offers in the Rev Response network. And you want to go where the B2B traffic already is. And of course, no other network or no other place has as much B2B traffic existent in it than LinkedIn. And LinkedIn is a business and professional network. There are so many strategies on how to get clients and customers from LinkedIn, but what you're looking for are people who are going to be interested in improving themselves in business. And so you want to be able to attract the people that are already existent on the network. And of course, you can do that in LinkedIn in a number of ways. One of the best ways to do that is to create content. And you can actually create content within the LinkedIn network. You can create articles, you can create videos, you can create slide presentations, anything that really communicates valuable information. This is what you're going to use in order to attract people to your offer link. And so you want to use LinkedIn in a way that attracts people that are already in the network to a particular content area. You can also use, in the same way that you use your content post, you can use your status update. And of course, on LinkedIn, it works just as it does on any other social network. When you place an update about something that you recently found out, you can actually put that in the LinkedIn network to the people that are connected to you, and they will see it. Now, they can decide to click on your link. They can decide to click on the rest of your status update, but you're going to be providing a link to either a blog post or you're going to be providing a link to the actual offer. So once again, LinkedIn, using the content post and the status update, and of course you can use the paid advertising area. Now, paid advertising is not as robust as it is inside of areas like Facebook. However, the LinkedIn network is robust enough to get targeted traffic from business professionals. Now, the thing with targeted traffic and these offers is that you must actually know what converts before you start paying for traffic. So it's probably not a recommended strategy for CPA marketing in this particular way. And in LinkedIn, you can actually join groups, and joining groups that are going to be in the area in which the publications that you're going to be promoting are in. So when you look at a particular niche, if you're going to be inside of the automotive niche, then you want to start thinking about those publications. If you're going to be inside of the marketing niche or business niche, you want to think about those publications. The LinkedIn network is really wide open because it gives you access to those areas and those networks where you are going to be able to match the area, match the group to the publication you're promoting. Now, when you think about those that are going to be on the tradepub.com site, match those up with the groups that you're actually going to be looking at, and then post inside of the groups where the traffic is. Now, in addition to LinkedIn, you're actually also going to be able to use niche-based forums. And if you think about niche-based forums like the Warrior Forum, but yet inside of other niches, you are primarily going to be using your forum signature. So again, you are going to be able to draw people to your signature and have them click on the signature and be taken to your offer. Now, of course, the downside to this is that you can only use one offer at a time. So you want to choose the highest converting offers. But again, if you're inside of a niche-based forum, you are really focused on one particular topic area, and you're going to be promoting a limited number of offers anyway. So you can actually probably find ones that you're going to be able to rotate in and out based on how well they convert. And of course, in a niche-based forum, you can always create forum-based content. That means that you're going to be participating in the forum. You're going to be answering questions. You're going to be starting threads. You're going to be starting conversations inside of the forum. And so the question then is, how do I create the kind of traffic or the kind of post inside of a forum that people are going to come and see my signature? How do I do that? Well, one way to do that many people have used over time time in the forum is a marketing strategy. It's called the wounded butterfly strategy. So you are actually going to the forum and you ask for help. Now, you don't want to go and state a really simple question that is simple to answer that's going to be an insult to the people in the forum. You want to ask an intelligent question and one that takes some of the more seasoned people inside of the forum to answer. So think of those questions that, again, are stumping people. Think of those questions that really require some of the experts to come and answer, because when the experts come to answer, then others are going to come to want to follow and to see what the experts have to say. You can also use your expert status. So you can post to a niche-based forum and you can give people valuable information. And when people want to hear more of what you have to say, they'll click on your forum signature to find out more. Okay, so again, you are going to forums where you know the traffic already is, and they're already related to the offers that you're going to be promoting. And inside of these forums, you're using the wounded butterfly strategy, the expert status strategy, and again, you can also use direct advertising. So with this particular strategy, again, you are going to where the traffic is. Okay, and then again, the place where most professionals are going to be hanging out, going to be LinkedIn, and then also you're going to be able to go to where that traffic is by finding particularly niche-based forums. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.